Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Partybox on the go, wireless Bluetooth party speaker, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason. Maybe it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of here, and just so that you can set it up like a brand new speaker with all the settings wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. It's really easy. We need to have the speaker turned on, and once the speaker is turned on, then we're just going to come over here and find the volume up button and the play button. You're just going to press and hold these two buttons for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds the speaker will turn off, and then it will reboot into its factory default settings, at which point you can go ahead and reset this speaker up like it's brand new.